one recent moment that made me full of laughter was when I was involved in Tauranga Musical Theatre's production of The Prom. I was an ensemble member. It was a very fun story, but it was also a fun story with messages of inclusion, acceptance and inclusion, which is what I'm big about, being off stage, being neurodivergent and living with tremors and other bits and bobs. Everyone just wanted, from the production team to my castmates and even the crew, they wanted me to do well, and they had put things in place so I could smash barriers that I met, and little things like Velcro on one of my costumes so I didn't have to fluff around with buttons. I've got essential tremor, and Buttons and I don't get along very well. So having someone in the wardrobe team putting Velcro on where I would normally do buttons means like that I could get ready all by myself and not have to rely on people helping me, especially during the busy getting ready stuff, and also allow me to keep calm and not having to rush, which made my anxiety feel better. It's amazing, and I honestly wish it was more like that for disabled and neurodivergent people everywhere, but sadly it's not. So that theatre community, it's just a little glimpse of what I want to see in the future.